I told you that I replaced 30 hours of weekly busy work with automated AI workflows that run while I sleep? In this video, I am going to show you the exact system I built to automate my entire business using AI and how you can do the same thing starting today. Let me start with the big picture. My business had 5 major bottlenecks. Customer support was eating up 10 hours a week. Social media content creation took another 8 hours. Lead research and outreach consumed 5 hours. Invoice and expense tracking took 4 hours, and email management ate another 3 hours. That is 30 hours every single week spent on tasks that do not directly generate revenue. Today, AI handles all 5 of these areas automatically, and I spend maybe 2 hours a week on oversight and quality checks. Workflow number 1, automated customer support. I set up an AI chatbot using ChatGPT API that handles 80% of incoming customer questions without any human intervention. It answers FAQs, processes return requests, provides order updates, and even handles basic complaints. The key was training it on my knowledge base, which took about 2 hours of setup. When the AI encounters something it cannot handle, it seamlessly escalates to me with full context. My customer response time went from 4 hours to under 2 minutes, and customer satisfaction actually increased. Workflow number 2, social media content creation. This was my biggest time sink, and the AI transformation has been incredible. Every Monday morning, my automated system generates 7 posts for each platform, complete with captions, hashtags, and optimal posting times. I use Claude to write the content, an AI image generator for visuals, and a scheduling tool to queue everything up. Total time investment, about 30 minutes on Monday to review and approve the content. The AI even analyzes which types of posts performed best and adjusts the strategy accordingly. Workflow number 3, lead research and outreach. Finding and contacting potential clients used to be my least favorite task. Now, I use an AI agent that scans directories and company websites to identify ideal prospects. It personalizes each outreach email based on the prospect, recent activity, and company news. The agent tracks opens, clicks, and replies, automatically sending follow-ups at the right intervals. My response rate went from 3% to 12% because the personalization is genuinely good, not generic template spam. Workflow number 4, financial tracking and invoicing. Every receipt, invoice, and expense now gets processed by AI the moment it arrives. I forward emails with receipts to a dedicated address, and an AI agent extracts the data, categorizes it, and logs it in my accounting software. Monthly invoices are generated automatically based on project tracking data. Tax preparation that used to take a full weekend now takes 2 hours because everything is already categorized and documented. Workflow number 5, email management. I receive about 100 emails per dozen Lantern, why? And before AI, I spent 3 hours daily just keeping up. He may say now. An AI agent sorts every incoming email into categories: urgent, important, can wait, and automated. It drafts responses for routine emails that I just need to review and approve for newsletters and updates. It creates a daily summary digest so I can skim everything in 5 minutes instead of reading each email individually. The tools I use to make all of this work: Make.com for orchestrating the workflows, ChatGPT API for the intelligence layer, Claude for content writing and research, Zapier for connecting services, and QuickBooks with AI for financial automation. Total monthly cost for all these tools combined is about $150. That is less than I used to pay a virtual assistant for one day of work. The biggest lesson I learned is to start with just one workflow. Do not try to automate everything at once. Pick your biggest pain point, automate it, test it for 2 weeks, then move to the next one. Each workflow took me about a week to set up properly, including testing and refinement. The compounding effect is remarkable, though. Each automated workflow frees up time to build the next one. If you want to start automating your business with AI, subscribe to Patapo AI. I share detailed workflow tutorials, tool reviews, and automation strategies every single week. Drop a comment telling me which of these 5 work